On the final day of a trial that could prove devastating for Donald Trump's business empire, a series of fiery exchanges and a surprise turn as the judge reversed his earlier decision and allowed Trump to speak. Trump delivered the same angry rant he has since the trial began. "This is a fraud on me," he said. "This is a political witch hunt. We should receive damages for what we went through." Claims rejected by New York Attorney General Letitia James after closing arguments.
This case has never been about politics or personal vendetta or about name-calling. This case is about the facts and the law.
Trump and his associates, including his 2 adult sons, are being sued for $370 million for inflating the value of their properties to secure better loans and insurance rates. He also faces a lifetime ban from doing real estate business in New York. After resting their case, Trump and his lawyers continued their barrage beyond the courtroom at one of Trump's Manhattan properties, named in the case for being fraudulently overvalued.
And it's been a very successful building, but it's a shame to have gone through this for years and years and years, and now we'll see if we're going to get an honest verdict.
But for anybody that was in the courtroom for the last 11 weeks, you heard that there was not one fact against President Trump. There was not one piece of paper that showed anyone committed fraud.
Trump's team argued that James is seeking what amounts to a corporate death penalty.
These loans were all good. The banks were extremely happy with me. They still are.
The judge wrapped today's proceedings by acknowledging that this case rests entirely in his hands. He said he'll try to do his best to issue a final ruling by the end of the month. Chris Reyes, CBC News, New York.